Hey guys, this is Jennifer from the Planet Punch and welcome back to our channel for another plan with me. So this week's plan with me is for the week of March 29th to the 4th of April. We're already in April if you can believe that, and I will be using an Easter themed kit. This is from our shop. I will leave a link to this kit in the description box below in case you would like to check it out. So I tried to do something new this week. I tried talking while filming this plan with me, and it was an epic and absolute fail. I just couldn't do both at the same time. I was either talking and I would forget to lay down my stickers, so there was nothing happening on screen except me talking. Otherwise, I was laying down my stickers and planning, but I would just forget to talk. So, and at the end, I also personally found it tougher to edit the video that way. So at the end of it all, I just chucked the whole talking while filming idea and decided to just stick to a voiceover. So that is one of the reasons why this plan with me is also a bit delayed. I would ideally like to upload my plan with me maybe on a Sunday or at the latest by Monday, but that didn't happen. Anywho, I have been super excited about using this Easter kit, and I've been waiting impatiently for Easter week to arrive just so I could finally use this kit. I really hope you guys like how this spread turned out because I love it. Per usual, I'm going to play some music while I lay down the bass, and I will be right back after that, so don't go anywhere. So we've got a lot of public holidays this week. Monday is Holi. Holi is a Hindu festival, in case you didn't know. It's also called the Festival of Love, or the Festival of Colors, or the Festival of Spring. It's generally a lot of fun to celebrate. If you just type the Festival of Holi on Google and check out the images section, you'll see how much fun it normally is. There's a lot of dance and a lot of music, and generally everyone's just having fun. This year was obviously very subdued because of COVID and whatnot, and we just couldn't do what we'd normally do, which is fine, It has to be that way, and I completely understand. But I just missed it because I can't explain how much fun it normally is, but you have to experience it to know. Anyway, and then we also have Good Friday and Easter Sunday, which is a long weekend. So while it was supposed to be a 3-day work week, there was stuff that came up at the last minute because of which I had to work on Sunday as well as on Monday. And that is one of the reasons why I have not been very active on Instagram. So I first marked work from home on Monday and Wednesday. I used the hexagon and then the laptop sticker from the daily icon bundle available in the shop. I used a 3 heart checklist below that just to make a note of everything that I had to get done on those days work wise. On Tuesday, I have to go into the office because I have a hearing on that day. And since I was doing that, I decided to meet a friend of my mother's for breakfast since she and her husband live quite close to my workplace. So, though this is my mother's friend, I am equally close to her and love spending time with her and her husband. So, I visit them whenever I can and as often as I can. So I used a scalloped half circle and the teacup decor sticker to mark breakfast, and then a quarter box layered over a couple of patterned headers to mark work. I then used the half box to mark planner time on Monday evening. If you didn't know, I received my new daily duo last week and I am dying to play around with it. On Tuesday, I have to prep for a case that I have the next day, so I marked that using another patterned half box. Wednesday is the 31st of March. That is the end of the financial year for me. I need to close my books of accounts and then start fresh on the 1st of April. So I used the bundle of books to mark that. I used the wreath to mark the beginning of April. You'll see me write in hello April at the end of this video. I then used that yellow quarter box to mark another hearing that I have on Thursday, and then I went back to Wednesday and used another quarter box to mark that I had to send out some bills for work that I had done this month. Christina and I also need to get a ton of stuff done for the shop this week, so we plan to dedicate Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for that. So I used three half boxes to mark stuff that needs to get done for the Etsy shop. So, one of the things that we're working on is Daily Duo kits. I have been watching a ton of Daily Duo Plan With Me's, and I was so inspired that I decided to get one for myself. So, when the EC warehouse sale happened earlier this month, how could I resist? I bought the Daily Duo with a whopping 50% off. This week has so far been so sucky that I haven't had the time to even look at my new daily duo. It has been so frustrating because it's right there sitting on my desk and tempting me. But it's a new planner. Once I start playing around with it, I won't be able to stop. So hopefully, I'll be able to open it up and spend some time figuring out how I want to use it starting this Thursday. That's a big hopefully, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Since I don't have too much happening over the weekend, I decided to use the Hello Weekend script over the top half of Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I layered that over a couple of stickers from the decor sheet. That little bunny with the fluffy tail is so adorable. I also want to get my laundry out of the way before the weekend, so I marked that on Thursday evening using the laundry icon and script from the kit. Since it's Easter on Sunday, we're having Easter lunch like we do every year. Just mum, Christina, me, my fiance, and Christina's boyfriend. So I need to order groceries on Friday and then pick it up on Saturday. That way, in case I forget something or something's unavailable, I can pick it up from somewhere on Saturday. So I marked the grocery order using a circle and grocery cart. And then on Saturday, I used a patterned half box and the grocery bag to mark pickup. I will be filming the following week's plan with me on Saturday, so I marked that with a scalloped half circle and a camera from the Daily Icon Planner bundle. To mark Easter lunch, I used a fancy box layered over that floral and bunny sticker from the decor sheet. And since I didn't have anything much to do on Sunday morning, I just marked some me time, which I'm really looking forward to. I also want to start reading a new book this week, so I went back to Monday and marked that with a third box. I still haven't decided what book I'm going to read, but I'll figure it out. So you'll see me mark that in just a little bit. I forgot to mention that Friday morning, that little patterned half box and the house icon that I used is just to mark chores that I have to do on Friday morning around the house that really need to get done. So I need to dust, vacuum, mop, and just make sure everything's perfect for Easter. So this is the finished spread. I really loved using this kit and I love how the spread turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And before I sign off, I just want to wish you guys a happy Easter. I hope you are surrounded by sunshine, flowers, chocolate, and family on Easter Day and every day. I will see you guys next week with another plan with me. Until then, Take care. Bye.